Hi everyone, welcome back to Milano's Secret Taste. Hope you people are doing well. We know desserts do have a special place in all of our hearts. Moreover, when it is easy to prepare at your home, then it could be the king of desserts in your list. Made from start to finish in not more than 8 minutes with homemade ingredients like my creamy mascarpone and ladyfingers, this updated tiramisu recipe gives the best dessert goal, which is quite quick, easy and healthy. So let's get into very quick to the easiest and tastiest tiramisu you have ever eaten. Here we have ingredients for 12 servings. 4 eggs, 120 grams sugar, 400 grams mascarpone, 1 cup of coffee, 2 long Italian coffees, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 400 grams ladyfingers, cocoa. Such less ingredients, right? And trust me, you can easily find these in your kitchen. Before moving on to preparation of this amazing dessert, just press the subscribe button and see what's cooking on the Milano Secret Taste every day. Also, press the notification icon to get post notifications. Going on to the method. Step 1. Break the eggs and separate the egg whites from the yolks and place them in 2 different bowls. Step 2. Be careful not to drop even a drop of egg yolk into the bowl of egg whites, otherwise you will not be able to whip them. Step 3. Beat the egg whites until stiff. Step 4. Add 120 grams of sugar in the egg bowl and beat until the mixture is lighter and creamy. Step 5. As the mixture is creamy, add all the mascarpone. Mix well and then add the whipped egg whites. Note, be careful to mix from bottom to top so as not to deflate the softness of the egg whites. Step 6. Stir and mix until you get a homogeneous and creamy mixture. Step 7. Pour the coffee into a large, low container, add the 2 tablespoons of sugar and mix. Step 8. Now take a pan to make the tiramisu. The pan can be transparent, in order to see all the layers of the tiramisu well. Generally a rectangular pan about 25 to 28 centimeters long is used. Step 9. Pour a thin layer of cream so that you can place the first layer of ladyfingers. Step 10. Quickly dip the biscuits into the coffee and make the first layer. Cover with the cream and proceed to the second layer of biscuits, then cover with the last layer of cream. Put in the fridge to rest for at least 2 hours. When it's time to serve the tiramisu, sprinkle the cocoa on tiramisu and serve. Now let's know the importance of this yummy dessert. At many Italian tables, a meal is often finished with fresh fruit rather than dessert. Dessert is reserved for special occasions. It stands to reason that this may be why Italian desserts are notable for presenting lavish arrangements of indulgent ingredients and truly unforgettable flavor combinations. Italian dessert making is like all of Italian cuisine with one distinct rule: to create dishes that provide pleasure above all else. Among the most popular Italian desserts, tiramisu is undoubtedly number 1. Tiramisu is a wonderful Italian delicacy to add to holiday festivities. Although after trying our easy and quick recipe once, food lovers may not be able to wait for a special occasion before they decide to serve it again. So guys, do try this wonderful recipe from us, and let us know in the comment box below. Also like and share the video to most of your friends and family. I will see you in the next one. Till then, you can watch other quick and easy recipes available on the channel. Take care, thanks for watching.